And welcome back, everybody. It's me, Class Whisperer. Once again, we're back with another Blair, which is episode 8. After we left off from episode 7, and we're looking for parts to move along. And hopefully, this episode we should find all the parts. Because right now, I think we got 2 out of the 3. Because we're going to see one more thing. So, once again, we're going to go right now and get the last part. Hopefully, it is. And not, then we're going to keep looking. Alright. Come on, let's go inside.
Jump up.
Here again. Welcome back to Sawmill.
Let's go, Bullet.
I guess seeing this part goes the other one.
It's all my fault. You said it wasn't, but I know the truth. You're all... It's my fucking fault.
Oh, that thing goes in there. Alright. Oh, we got everything. We're good. Alright. Now let's turn this up. That was the thing. Okay, I thought it wasn't the thing. Alright, let's turn this up. Watch the video. Let's turn this up to a notch. Talking about worlds. Okay. Yeah, let's just raise it up, right? Doesn't matter. But we just let it on fire now. Like that. There you go. Timer's on. Raise it up. Yeah, there you go. Come on, come on, come on. Come on.
Let's fix this thing and try again. Without blowing the gauge this time.
These wires come on. Look what I told you. That should be good, right? There we go. Alright, there we go. We got it. Come on, Bullet. Let's go. There you go.
Heal.
Go, Bullet. Go. Down. What is this?
Too heavy to push aside.
Yep, but don't worry. We did it already. There we go. Now we can go. Let's go. Move this direction to the different direction. There we go. All fire. I thought it was 3 parts, but I guess not. There we go. Now we're going this direction. Alright, let's go, Bullet. We gotta go.
Jump up.
Yeah, let's do this. Proceed forward. Oh, no, 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 no. What's going on? Wait, this way. What's going on here? I thought we were going... What's going on? I thought we were going this way. Yeah, I should be straight. Okay, here we go. Alright, Bullet, get ready. There's no way. We're not alone here. Oh, great. Why are you slowing down? I don't like this. Why is it slowing down? Right, Bullet? Why is it slowing down? Why is it slowing down? Like we're doing a detour or something? Detour? Alright, whatever. We're slowing down, everyone. Let's see what's gonna happen. Nope, I'm gonna slow it down. I know, bullet. I know. That was weird. Oh, that's the time chase move. Also, what's going on? Oh, then we left from that spot now. We're going back to where we left off. Okay. Weird. Oh, wow. Also, yeah, that's weird. No, it's like, oh, morning now. Huh. Alright, here we go. This is where we found the antenna. Wait, that's the thing. Okay, here we go. Okay, get ready, bullet. Oh god, here we go. Who's that? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Move aside, move aside. We should know what's behind us. No, we're good. We're good. There you go, what's behind us. No, you don't. No, you don't. Move on, move on. You don't like me. Yeah, where you going? We're passing by. Move aside. Hey, hey, move, push back, push back. Yeah, move away. Move away. Oh my lord. What's going on? Bullet, you good, bullet?
No, don't stop now.
That wasn't fair. No one's planning the light.
Just a little further.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't stop us now. Oh my god, what's going on here? I don't know what's going on here. It's a lot. Oh, these guys everywhere. Holy cow.
Bastards.
There's a lot of these guys. Oh no, we're gonna fall off, aren't we? Push on, push on, push on. No, you don't. No, why do you be like this?
Just a little further.
Oh, we can walk now. Hey, we're good, we're good. No one's gonna here no more. We're good. Wait, what's going on? Oh my lord.
Stay still, boy.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Dude, she... No way, it broke. Oh my god, it broke over there.
You alright, buddy? Looks like this is our stop.
You sure? Oh, really? Alright.
Let's go, Bullet. Stay close, Bullet.
Oh boy. Holy shit, that was crazy. Didn't expect it to happen. Should we walk straight to the trails? Guess so. Oh, what the hell? Who's calling right now?
Yeah?
Ellis? What's going on? Are you okay?
Yeah, no, it's nothing, and everything. Yeah, I know I'm not making any sense right now, but that's the thing. I think I'm starting to lose it, Jess. I see things, and I don't even know if they're real or not. I don't know which is worse.
God damn it, Ellis. I can't do this again. I'm sorry, but I can't.
Jess, please. I need you.
You need help, Ellis. I tried to be there for you, I really did, but you keep pushing me away. Keep going deeper and deeper.
Jess.
No, Ellis, I'm sorry, but I won't let you drag me down with you.
God damn it. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'll call you later.
Sawmills. Yes, we're here. Oh, we're gonna stop here 'cause we'll make it. I'm walking that way because we can know what there. Oh, there.
What you got there, Bullet?
Careful. Alright. So what we got, Bullet? Yeah, Bullet. What we got? Oh, it's not water. Oh, whoa, what the hell?
Filthy.
Yes, what's up, DJ? Drink. Oh, damn.
This is it. The place we were looking for.
Down there. Oh, it might just be the noise. There's Daniel here. Alright, that's good to know.
What is it? Something in there, boy?
The combination log.
Guess we're not gonna find out.
Someone sleeping, or is that just something making noise? We can open that lock. That's our mission, I guess. Oh no.
It's old, not abandoned. Someone lives here.
Maybe the guy's sleeping right now? Okay, here's one sleeping. It's all right now. I'll get right now. Get better, guys. Alright. I'm gonna get that tape down. I see no name. Let's watch it. Hope nothing happened to us. Chase. Oh, the chase is on. Oh, whoa. See, they just failed to kill him. He's running. He's running towards that room. Oh, whoa.
Quiet, boy. We're not alone here.
Yeah. Oh, someone died up there, sure. Blood. Alright, what's the video? We'll finish the video.
Creepy.
Okay. Barbara? Okay. 2324. Okay. I guess that's the password to get in. I saw it, not a witch or a monster, but a man carried up a skin human. He saw me, now he's coming. Okay, I guess I know the internet now. This is 332? I totally forgot how much the money. 3324. I'm gonna be upstairs here. One, two, that's three, two.
Come here. Stick close to me.
Me someone's gonna be here. You crunch? Nah, I'm not scared. Doesn't mean the noise is just this. Let me just be this. Who knows? Let's see who's down. Oh, sorry, need help? Ooh. Did I go to him? Nah, whatever, I'm done.
Jesus. Hey, can you hear me? Badly mutilated. Blood's still fresh. Some of those are defense wounds. Multiple cuts, probably a long blade.
What do you mean? That's not me. Yeah.
What? How?
Ooh.
Jesus Christ! What the fuck just happened?
Do I have to watch it? Watch it. Murder. Alright. That's not what I want to see. Nope, he got shot. Ooh, I want to see that. We're gonna see that? Nope, you are gonna see that.
Someone right into the collarbone. Pulled him in. His face.
He's downstairs. Oh, I'll be right here in the corner. Oh, so where's my dog? Dog? No, dog's gone. Well, that's him. I don't know who he is. Just a thing. See, where's the time? We need to open the door. Please, man. Oh, that's playing now. What was it? Oh, he is there. What the hell are you doing with my dog? Yo, what's with my dog? Okay. Bullet?
It's you. You killed Lanning.
Did you see her?
What?
When you looked into their eyes, did you see her?
Then where's Peter? What have you done to him?
It's not time yet. He awaits.
Stop messing with me or what?
You kill me. Killing is always the solution, isn't it? But you're far too weak, too scared. And your hands are trembling.
Oh no. Okay, chill me. Oh, that was it. This is where I die. Get right. Get back. Ooh, no.
The boy will die. He has to die. Such is her will.
Oop, that's it. My dog didn't save me. Bullet, what the hell are you doing? You're supposed to save me. I guess not. I guess I'll just get kidnapped and tortured. drag. No, come on, man. Come on. You got this. Wake up. Use your flashlight to hit him. No, actually, use flashlight. It's kind of bad. Blue flashlight, we're pretty much screwed. Use your phone. You don't need it. Actually, I don't know. Phone is also helpful too. Oh, yeah, we're screwed pretty much. Oh, okay.
What are you doing here, Private?
It was me, sir.
What was?
Elijah 5. I was the point man, sir.
What are you trying to say, soldier?
I led those men into the ambush, sir.
Nine injured, 6 dead, 6 grieving widows, 9 orphan children, 1 negligent soldier. You should have been court-martialed.
I couldn't stay. Not after that.
It wasn't your fault, Ellis.
You get smacked?
Easy. So easy. Oh, you're so weak. I was weak like you once. See this knife? I remember holding it against my wrist, pressing it deeper and deeper, wanting to end it all, to silence the voices. Weak. Pathetic. I should have listened from the start. That's what set me free. You'll understand soon enough.
So, a bullet. Nope, not yet. This should happen.
He's gone.
Oh, we're back here again. Are you serious?
He dragged me out here and just left?
I said come in, Ellis.
Okay, sure. Oh, there's one.
Hey there, sleepyhead.
What do you want?
Search the campsite. Something's waiting there for you.
I have a bad feeling about this.
Alright, I think we'll end it there, guys. I'm not going to do more than the chapter because I feel like there's more surprises. But once again, I hope you enjoyed it.
Look for it.
Yeah, no, man, but I'm not going to look for it. I'm going to look for the next chapter. So once again, I hope you enjoyed Blair Witch, and I'll see you guys in episode 9. Goodbye.